Looking for a way to make your shipping and packaging stand out? Say hello to Pro Supply Global, your trusted retailer and wholesaler of unique and stylish shipping, retail, and office supplies. From our headquarters in Caribou, Maine, we're here to take your packaging game to the next level. Let's talk about our 10 by 13 poly mailers. Perfect for shipping items such as clothing, books, and accessories securely, these mailers combine durability with style. Choose from vibrant patterns, fun prints, or professional designs to match your brand and impress your customers. And with our wholesale pricing, you can save big while ensuring your packages arrive in pristine condition. Need something bigger? We've got you covered with sizes like our 12 by 15 poly mailers, perfect for larger shipments. Built with durability in mind, these mailers are cost-effective and built to protect your products. For extra protection, check out our 4x8 and 6x9 bubble mailers. These mailers are made with tough bubble padding and a secure adhesive seal to ensure that your items will not be damaged by bumps and other forms of transit damage. Plus, their eye-catching designs add a stylish touch to your shipping process. Improve your retailing experience through our 9x12 merchandise bags. Excellent bags for retail stores, boutiques, and online businesses. These premium bags feature vibrant, designer prints, and die-cut handles. They protect your merchandise as they make your customers happy and keep their memories positive. Looking for an eco-friendly style? Check out our craft paper bags with handles. Made to be tough, they're perfect for retail businesses, everyday shopping, or a special occasion. At Pro Supply Global, we believe in quality. That's why we give you fast, low-cost shipping within the USA. Most orders process and ship within 24 hours. 100% quality guarantee on all Pro-branded products. 100% safe and secure checkout. Your satisfaction is our priority. Want to take your packaging to the next level? Shop at Pro Supply Global today for stylish, long-lasting, and cost-effective solutions